Assalamualaikum and good morning to all my panels, Encik Muhammad Arizam and also Encik Muhammad Aris. My name is Muhammad Amirul bin Muhammad Ariffin and I'm from 4BMMV S11 and also my metric number is B091810457 and also my supervisor name is Encik Muhammad Noor bin Osman. So today I would like to present my final year project for the second semester. Okay, first, my project title is Design, Fabricate and Analyze DUCT silencer using HUSK fiber for sound transmission loss using impedance tubes. Okay, next is the presentation layout. Okay, for these presentations, I have introduction and then we go to the objective and then scope, and also can see the effect, flow chart, and then morphological chart, and after that result, and lastly conclusions. Okay, next is introductions. Okay, what is DUCT silencer? Okay, DUCT silencer is a noise control acoustical treatment of heating, ventilating and air conditioning, or usually people call as HVACs. And then it designed to reduce transmission of noise through the ductwork. Okay, I have 3 problem statements in this project. First, I need to design the DUCT silencer for this project. And then also, the second point is I need to find which a natural fiber that have suitable to use in this project. And lastly, the transmission loss. This is a parameter that I need to measure during this project. Okay, next is objective. Okay, I have 2 objectives in this project. First, I need to design and fabricate the DUCT silencer for the natural fiber bin test. And second, I need to analyze the sound transmission loss of HUSK fiber for the DUCT silencer. Okay, that is my objective for this project. And next, scope. Okay, scope of this project, I need to design the DUCT silencer with SolidWorks 2020, and also after design, I need to fabricate. I need to fabricate the DUCT silencer using the selective laser sintering, or usually people call SLS, as a 3D printer. And next, second point is I need to analyze transmission loss of the HUSK fiber. Okay, next, effect. This is effect that I apply in this project. First, I will test with the different thickness or mass of the HUSK fiber. And next, I will choose the different arrangement of HUSK fiber to be tested in this project. Okay, that is for the effect. For the literature review, for this, the experiment or the article from previous research has been applied in my project. First, article is the application of coconut fiber as disruptive silencer. Okay, during this article, they use different arrangement of coconut fiber, so it apply or relate with my projects. And second, the sound incision loss of Kinaf and Aringa Pinata of the name of the article. It also by Matlan et al. 2022. In the experiment, they use natural fiber but different mass of density to get the result of the incision loss. That also relate with my projects. Second, and the third article that relate with my project is characterizations of particulate matter and total VOC emission from a binder jetting 3D printer. This state that advantage of using SLS selective laser sintering as 3D printer. So that is reason why I need to choose the SLS as the 3D printer for to build my prototype. And last, literature review. The article name is Product Data Impedance Tube Kit by 420C and it's by Brule and Kager by 2019. Okay, for this, it shows how to use the impedance tube from start until end. In my project, I need to measure the transmission loss of the data. So I need to know how to work with the appendix tube, know the software that appendix tube use. So that is the reason why these articles is really relate to my projects. Okay, next for the morphological chart, they have three design that I have made, and lastly I choose the second design because it has more benefit and more characteristic in this project that's suitable for my projects. That's the reason why I choose the second designs. Next, for the methodology, we can see the experiment setup that I have captured during I ran the project or experiment. So we can see that is ducting silencer that I have fabricated have been connected with the impedance tube. And then we go to the block diagram for this experiment. Okay, first loudspeaker. Loudspeaker will give a noise, and then microphone 1 and 2 will capture the noise. After that, it go to the cone husk fiber. From at the cone husk fiber, it will absorb the sounds. After that, microphone 3 and 4 will detect the noise after the sound go through the cone husk fiber. And lastly, the termination. So that is the process to analyze to get the data of the transmission loss. Okay, next the result. As you can see, that is the ducting silencer that have been designed in the SolidWorks. After that, I have fabricate at the 3D SLS print machines. So that is the picture that I have captured. And then the arrangement of cone husk fiber during I ran the experiment. Okay, I have 4 different type of fiber that I choose to run this experiment or project. Okay, this is the result that I get. First, the result I get is for the transmission loss data for all 6 gram and 3 gram of cone husk fiber. Okay, it's shown in the figure the graph of the result. Okay, according to the previous article from Matlan et al. 2017, it states that the more sound absorption material in the silencer, it will get the better result for the transmission loss. So it proved that my experiment or project from the graph, we can see as 5 pieces arrangement have better transmission loss than the other arrangements. It also apply to the 6 gram cone husk fiber. It's also get 5 pieces arrangement have a better transmission loss than the 1 pieces. So it approved that the transmission loss increase with the amount of sound absorptive of cone husk fiber also increase in the silencer. Okay, that is the first result. And the next result is for the transmission loss data for all 6 gram and 3 gram cone husk fiber with different arrangements and also mass. Okay, from as we can see, for overall that we can see, it states that 6 gram cone husk that contain cone husk fiber has better transmission loss than the 3 gram cone husk fiber. It also has been stated in Matlan et al. 2017. It also discovered the larger coconut fiber mass or natural fiber. It have a better sound absorptions than the smaller natural fiber. Then it's clear from the difference in transmission loss between these two silencer 3 gram and also 6 gram fiber design that more sound absorption material is used to reduce the transmission loss. So I get the better result, and also the result have achieved before the previous result. Okay, next, that is the end of my measure, which is transmission loss. Okay, for the conclusions, overall, this chapter summarizes and concludes this report. A selective laser sintering or SLS machines have produced the part of the body which is ducting silencer, and also The impedance tube has been used to measure the transmission loss, and thence to analyze the project we have used two different effects, which is first we use a different arrangement of cone height fiber, and second we use different mass of fiber. Okay, after that this project use after that the result of transmission loss were obtained, and according to the result, as what we can see in this project, the 5 pieces cone height fiber with the high mass are suitable for the industrial applications such as noise extractions and filtering. So the objective for this project of for this chapter are achieved. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.